I think Domino's Pizza was really onto something here with this 1985 Tritan A2. I have no idea what this is or where it came from. I did some research. I'm going to tell you about it right now. This spaceship was just listed on Bring a Trailer, and I'll have the auction link in the description below if you want to go ahead and check it out. But here's everything you need to know. This is a 1985 Tritan A2. It's the first of just 10 examples ever built, and all of them were commissioned specifically for Domino's Pizza in the mid-1980s. It's a 3-wheeled ultra-aerodynamic microcar with a sliding canopy roof, a single driver's seat, a massive hoop-style rear wing, and originally, listen to this, a pizza warmer where the back seat would normally be. And this thing was designed with exactly one job in mind, and that was to get pizza to your house as hot and as efficiently as possible. But why did Domino's do this? Why did they need this? Well, much like local postal services or maybe even police departments, Domino's needs special types of delivery vehicles. I'm not really sure why I just compared Domino's to the police or post office, but bottom line is they need some sort of special delivery vehicle. They needed cars that were cheap to run, that were fuel efficient, that were easily maneuverable in cities, and obviously extremely branded, and this was very on brand. Because you fast forward today, and Domino's uses cars like the Chevy Spark or the Bolt EV, like boring cars. Nobody wants these. People want to see this. Domino's founder Tom Monaghan commissioned a company called Tritan Ventures to design a purpose-built delivery vehicle from scratch, and this is what they came up with. Tritan was founded by Douglas J. Amick, who had been obsessed with aerodynamic efficiency since the 1960s. One of his earlier projects, the Tritan Aero 135, reportedly achieved a drag coefficient of 0.135. To put that in perspective, I did a little bit of research, and most cars today genuinely have a drag coefficient of 0.25 to about 0.3, somewhere in that range. So Tritan was very ahead at the time. Power originally came from a 440cc SP440 single-rotor Wankel engine paired to a belt-driven automatic transmission. And obviously this wasn't about speed or performance, but rather simplicity and lightweight and efficiency. Inside, this car is actually really minimal. There's a single blue and white vinyl seat, a wood panel dashboard, an 85-mile speedometer, though I doubt this thing ever went to 85 miles an hour, an AM radio, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. But the most important part, and as I mentioned earlier, behind the driver was a built-in pizza warmer. That's right, it was designed to keep pizza orders hot while Domino's tested this idea in select regions near their headquarters. Despite how futuristic and cool and awesome this thing was, like if you saw it rolling down the road, you'd be like Domino's, and that's like, it's awesome branding, it had some severe problems. It was single seat only, it was very limited practicality, there was extremely specialized parts, none of these were mass produced, they only made 10 of them, so if you needed parts, you'd have to contact Tritan, and it was just a nightmare. And there was very little flexibility, and so by the mid-1980s, the pilot program was just canceled. Tritan Ventures shut their doors in 1988, the program was canceled, and then 10 of these cars just kind of vanished, but this one just popped up on Bring a Trailer. I just really wish that Domino's kept doing this. Like, why are we not getting any cool marketing branded cars like this? You just need one or two. There's only 10 of these, so like statistically it is more rare than the Ferrari F40, the Ferrari F50, a lot of actually most modern cars that I talk about on this channel. Speaking of which, if you want to see videos just like this one, feel free to like and subscribe. I make a ton of videos following auctions and whatnot, and lots of shorts. I do a lot of research. I sit in class and do research about these cars. So yeah, that's all I got.